Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool amazing product right here in my hand that is a 6-piece Earwax remover kit. So you can use this to remove kind of any earwax in your ear and whatnot. But first thing first, let's open up and show you what the product looks like first. So when you guys first open the package, you guys can see that there's like a case inside. And then here is the actual case itself, you guys can see. And in the back of the case, they provide you some instruction guide on how to use the product. So like there are different ear tips or ear picks. So let's open up the case itself and show you guys what each one looks like. And then you guys can see all the ear picks inside. So there's a pack of 6 in here, and each one has its own functionality of what you guys want to use it for. So let me just take one of them out and then kind of try it out and see when it actually works or not. So let me just use this one as an example if you guys can see. So I'm gonna try to use this side first, but first thing you want to do is kind of clean it off because you don't know where it's been. So I actually washed this and cleaned it already, but I'm just gonna use this little napkin or a tissue to kind of wipe it off to get it even more clean. So all you have to do is kind of start putting in your ear like this and scrape anything off. So just by using that ear pick right there, I can see there's a little bit of yellow stuff that's in the ear. So it does work, but let's try out this part and see when that this part works as well. But same thing like how we did earlier. Make sure you clean it off with some water first, and then use a little napkin or tissue to wipe it off to get it that extra cleanness. And then basically all you have to do for this part is put it in and just turn it 360 to clean anything out. So definitely for this one, it actually works a lot better than the other one. Like you can see there's a lot of yellow stuff in there. But the thing about this one is the fact that in order for you to clean this part out, you probably want like a cotton pick or something, or you guys have to use water to rinse it out before you can reuse it, because when you guys use a napkin or a tissue to wipe it off, it doesn't really wipe off too clean because there might be stuff still stuck inside. But you guys can see that actually does work. And I like the circular one is much better because it cleans off 360 instead of like just one part. The only one that's like different compared to all these is the fact that this one, if you guys can see right here, it only has that spring right here that can clean everything a little bit easier, I guess. But this part doesn't have anything else. So all you basically have to do is like put it in your ear. And this one has like a little spring to it. So if you want to go all the way in, just be really careful when you guys use it. I don't like the spring one too much. Like this one, I don't like it too much when you guys put it in your ear because it doesn't feel as comfortable. But this one definitely feels a lot better, especially for this part right here. If you guys can see, I definitely like this part a lot. So it's like easier to use, won't hurt you, and it's just so nicely built. So pretty much long story short, to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not, yes, it is worth it, and you guys should definitely get one if you guys want one or need one. But obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one, then don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the unboxing, testing, and feedback with this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And then if you guys like this video and you just want to see more, then make sure to click on the bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have...